In this video I'll show you how to assemble your Carlson pet product gate. And by the way, I'll put an Amazon link in the description if you want to order the same gate as mine. Once you take everything out of the box, you'll need to find this small cardboard box where you're gonna find all the tools and also the instruction manual. I will follow exactly each step that are described in the manual, so let's get started. The first step would be to lay out each single piece that you get in the box the same way they will be assembled to get a better idea how the final product will look. Now you're going to select this part, which is part B in the manual and part D in the manual. Each of them has a lower horizontal tube, as you can see. All you have to do is to bring this one closer, and I don't know if you can see here, but it's hollow inside, so you need to bring the second one inside of the other one. Put them like this, and there will be two holes. They need to be aligned. Next, find the small plastic bag that comes with your gate, and you'll need to take those two black screws. They're really easy to find. They're the only screws that are black with an hex head. You're gonna place both of them in the two holes that we just looked at a few seconds ago, like this, and then you can start screwing them using your fingers at first. Okay, now you'll need to tighten them up using the small Allen wrench that is provided in the kit. So turn clockwise until you can't turn it anymore. Next step is to take the main gate part here, the middle part. Make sure that there is a pin on the lower left side corner right over here. This way you know you position it well, and you'll have to slide the small pin right in the hole here. So let's do it like this. And other side, don't worry, you don't have to do anything with this small thing. Just make sure that the pin goes all the way in. Now you'll need to go into the plastic bag and find this pin that looks like this one. It's unique, you can mistake it. Now go at the top of the gate, and you see there is a hole there. Take the middle part and you'll have to slide this pin in the hole right over there. You may not have to do this step that I will show you now. This is attaching the extension on each side of the gate. It will really depend on how much of an opening between your two walls you have. To attach an extension, it's very easy. You just have to slide the actual extension itself into the side of the gate. There's no locking mechanism. There's absolutely nothing you need to do apart sliding both parts together. Now I'll put the right side here. Just make sure that this very thick part is on the bottom and the smaller one on the top. Thick with the rest of the thick metal bar here. Okay, slide it and slide it up there too. Like this. Now you're gonna notice that the door is not actually closing and there's quite a gap there. You see here, there's a gap, and as it says here, the gap between the door latch and the frame is not a defect, so it's normal. I'll show you how to close it at the end. Next step is to attach the 4 spindle rows on each 4 corners of the gate. To adjust them, you have to spin the small plastic cap here up and down by rotating it clockwise or counterclockwise. To put them together, all you have to do is to slide it inside, and that's all. It doesn't lock, it doesn't click, it just slides in. So do this for each 4 corners of the gate. Once you're done, you're ready to install the gate. You approach it to the wall and you check how much space you have between them. As you can see here, I have installed both of the extensions and it's definitely too much. I'll have to remove one of the extension so it fits perfectly. Okay, now it's much better. All you have to do is to adjust all four of the spindle rubber foot on each side of the gate. You can actually also mount them directly into the wall, but honestly I just want to use this way since I can remove the gate without damaging anything. You just have to tighten everything. Obviously don't over tighten it at first so you can adjust the positioning of the gate. Now, as you can see, there is still a gap here at the door, and to close that gap down you need to tighten these top spindle things. Okay, I don't know how to call them, but yeah, you need to tie them together until the door can actually close and lock. I'll show you how. The tighter I turn these plastic rings here, the closer the gate comes to a complete closed position. So I'll keep doing this. Okay, more. Now the gate is almost closed. I'll still add a bit until I'm satisfied. See, now the gate is completely closed. It won't open by accident. I'll show you how the mechanism works. All you have to do is to push the button and to pull the pin. Then you'll be able to swing the door open. You can also remove this sticker. And unfortunately, I don't understand why, but you can't remove those stickers easily. You'll need some sort of glue gun or other product, because they're stuck very well on the metal. It's very unfortunate. This one too. It's hard to just remove it the way I did the first sticker. On the lower side of the swinging door, you can see it here, there is a small pin. Okay, there's a small pin here that if you pull it up like this, you'll be able to swing the door both sides. So this way, but also this way. And of course there's this small door in the middle. Probably this is why you bought it. To open it, you just have to pull the pin and to swing the door open. And by the way, it opens both ways as well. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Don't forget, there's an Amazon link in the description if you want to get the same model as this one. And if you didn't use both extensions, just like me here, don't forget to keep it in a safe place in case you want to install the gate in a larger opening. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and I'll see you in the next one.